Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily show or hide themes in Microsoft Teams client to stay organized. So here I am in Microsoft Teams, and you can see here I have a list of themes in my tenant where I'm a member of these teams. Imagine a situation where you have a lot of themes. This is a little bit messy because it's difficult to move between teams, just to stay focused on the teams you consider are more important. How we can deal with this situation? This is actually very straightforward thanks to a recent addition of the Microsoft Teams team to the Teams client. Basically, per team, you have the possibility to choose if you want to show or not this team in the list of your favorite teams. So, for instance, let's imagine this is actually an archive team, and I don't need to show this team anymore in my list of teams. So, what I can do is just to click on the three dots and then click on hide. As soon as I click on hide, the team is going to disappear from my list of teams. Where is this team going? Actually, this thing is going to the bottom of my list, and as you can see here, we have a new section called, or name it, hidden themes, where I have actually the list of hidden themes that are not interested anymore, what includes archive themes, as you can see here. So, for instance, what I can do is also, to hide other themes. So, for instance, let's choose this one. And again, this is going to go to the hidden theme settings. Actually, as you can see here, I'm not seeing the archive theme anymore. So this can be a problem because I'm seeing themes that are not archived, but I don't see my not archived theme, my archived themes here. So maybe this could be a bug because this is a very recent feature. But in a nutshell, sorry, this is what I wanted to show you how you can easily organize your teams by using the show and hide feature you have per team in the Teams client. So in the same way, we can hide teams, we can show again. So the teams go up to my favorite teams list. And that's all. I hope you have found this video interesting, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.